Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about pharmaceutical factory location as per designing and development of that layout for suspension, emulsion and semi-solid. What are the objectives behind that? The layout describe the concept of plant location and a plant, then identify the various factors to be considered for selection of a plant location from state or the area to the specific site, then distinguish the among the alternative patterns of a plant layout for a different formulation, then discuss the various factors influencing the choice of an initial layout and its subsequent modifications. And what is that plant location? The plant location refers to the choice of region and the selection of particular site for setting up a business or a factory. So what is that ideal location? The ideal location is that a cost of product is kept to minimum, then large market share having available for that formulation, then the least risk and the maximum social gain from that location, then the it is the place of maximum net advantage or which gives the lowest unit cost of a production and a distribution. For achieving this objective, small scale entrepreneur can make use of a locational analysis for this purpose, and according to that locational analysis, there are demographic analysis, trade area analysis, competitive analysis, traffic analysis and site economics. So in which the selection criteria according to that analysis is that you can take in consideration like the point of natural or climatic conditions, because environmental factors can affect on your formulations, then availability and nearness or to the sources of raw materials and other additives, then transport cost in obtaining raw material and also distribution for marketing of a finished product to the ultimate users, means your customers, then access of market or access to the market is a small business and retail or wholesale or services should be located within the vicinity of a dense populated areas, then availability of infrastructural facilities such as developed industrial sheds or sites, link roads, nearness to railway stations, airports or seaports, availability of electricity, water facility, public utilities, civil amenities and means of a communication are important, especially for small scale of a business. Apart from that, availability of skilled and non-skilled persons and technically qualified managers. And then banking and financial institutions, then location with the link of the business centers, which results in the saving and cost reduction in transport overheads and miscellaneous expenses. Then strategic considerations of safety and security should be given to the importance. Then some government influences like both positive and negative incentives to the motivate an entrepreneur to choose a particular location are made available, like some electricity facilities, banking, transport, tax subsidies and liberalization comes under that positive incentives, and some negatives like form of restriction to setting up of industries in urban areas for reason of population control and decentralization of industries. Then residents of small business entrepreneur want to set up nearby their homelands. Apart from that, the significance of that location, the location of plant is an important entrepreneurial decision because it influences the cost of production and distribution to the great extent. In some cases you will find that the location may contribute even 10% of a cost manufacturing and a market. Therefore an appropriate location is essential to the efficient and economical working of a plant. A firm may fail due to the bad location, or growth and efficiency may be restricted. So overall we can say that the cost of your formulation is 10% depend on the location. This is a general or a gross idea of a layout of a pharmaceutical manufacturing plant. So here this is a receiving area, sampling area, manufacturing area, considering for weighing, for mixing, for that manufacturing, after that semi-finished product, then finished product, then packaging, primary packaging, secondary packaging, then your packed product, then your analysis. Likewise, that there are gowning area, official area, and equipment washing area, etc. Then what is that plant layout? That plant layout refers to the arrangement of physical facilities such as machinery, equipment, furniture, etc. within the factory building in such a manner so as to have a quickest flow of a material at the lowest cost and with the least amount of handling in processing the product from the receipt of the material to the shipment of a finished product. Then according to the reads, the overall objective of plant layout is to design a physical arrangement that most economically meets to the required output of like that quantity and a quality. Then, according to J.L. Jundi, plant layout ideally involves the allocation of a space and arrangement of equipment in such a manner that overall operating costs are minimized. So we can say that the selection of plant and designing of plant that would be in consideration of minimizing the cost of your production. What are that ideal plant layout should provide the optimum relationship among the output, floor area and manufacturing process. Then it facilitates the production process. Then it minimizes the material handling, then time and cost and allows the flexibility of operations. It is easy production flow, makes economic use of a building, then promotes effective utilization of manpower and provides for employees convenience. Then safety, comfort at work, maximum exposure to the natural light and ventilation. It also important because it affects the flow of material and process. Then labor efficiency, supervision and control, use of a space and expansion possibilities, etc. Then objective of a plant layout. The objective of plant layout is a proper and efficient utilization available for a floor space. Then to ensure that work proceeds from one point to the another point without any delays. So we have to arrange such that then provide enough production capacity, then reduces material handling cost, reduces the hazard to the personnel, utilize the labor efficiently, increases the employee morally, then reduce the accidents, provides for volume and product flexibility, then provide ease of supervision and a control, provide employee safety and health, allow ease of a maintenance, allow high machine or equipment utilization, and then finally improve the productivity. Then types of a layout. There are three main types like manufacturing units, traders and service establishment. According to the manufacturing unit, there are product or line layout, process or functional layout, fixed position or locational layout, and combined group layout. Then we are discussing about the different type of Schedule M requirements for the formulations. Like Schedule M is a part of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. It is a GMP of pharmaceuticals and should be followed by the pharmaceutical manufacturing unit in India. Also, it is a part of quality assurance which ensures that the products are consistently manufactured and controlled to the quality standards appropriate to the intended use. So we can define as GMP is a set of principle and a procedure which when followed by manufacturers for therapeutic goods helps to ensure that the product manufactured will have the required quality. And according to that GMP, that Schedule M, which is for classified into different types, like part 1, part 1A, part 1B, part 1C, and part 1D, likewise. So part 1C is a special requirement for manufacturing of overall liquids, syrup, elixir, emulsion and suspension. Part 1D is for manufacturing of external preparation like creams, ointment, paste, emulsion, solutions. So in our syllabus, we are discussing about the disper system and semi-solid formulation. According to the GMP, which requires general requirement like location and surroundings, building and premises, water system, disposable of waste, warehousing area, production area, and then Our ancillary areas, quality control area and personals, health and clothing of sanitization of workers, manufacturing operation and control, then sanitization of manufacturing equipments, then raw material equipment, documentation and record, label and other printed material, quality assurance, self inspection, then quality audit and quality control system. So in which we are discussing about the different types of layout which is required for disperse system and semi-solid preparations. So according to that part 1C, that is for disperse, that is building equipment and purified water, and according to this external preparation like semi-solid, to entrance of the area should be where the topical products are manufactured should be through the suitable airlock. Outside the airlock, insect outers shall be installed. Then the air to this manufacturing area shall be filtered through the least 20 micron air filters and shall be air conditioned. The air shall be ventilated. Then equipment used shall be designed and maintained to prevent the product from being accidentally contaminated with any foreign matter or lubricant. No rugs or dusters shall be used for the process of cleaning or drying of the process equipment accessories. So in case of external preparation, the mixing of storage tank, jacketed kettle, colloidal mill, triple roller mill, this type of equipment is required. And for roller liquid mixing, then portable stirrers, colloidal mill, suitable filtration equipment, semi-atomic or automatic bottle filling machine, filter-proof cap sealing machine, water distillation, and clarity test apparatus is required. So these are the important requirements for the disperse system and semi-solid preparations. Thank you.